Are you ready to see the next evolution in Audi's iconic lineup? The future of performance station wagons is about to take a bold new direction, and it's time to meet the upcoming Audi RS7. With a fresh name and groundbreaking design, this beast is set to redefine what we know about speed, style, and luxury. Let's dive into the details. Before we get into the exciting features of the new RS7, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest in the automotive world. As Audi gears up for a major shift in its naming conventions, we're seeing some familiar models getting a brand new identity. The Audi A6 that we've known and loved is transforming into the A7, while the new RS7 will take over the mantle from the current RS6. This transition marks a significant change as Audi adopts odd indices for their internal combustion engine models and even indices for their electric vehicles. The RS7 station wagon, the star of our show today, will be replacing the RS6, which has been an icon since its debut back in 2002. Now, as we approach the release of the 5th generation, Audi is offering us a sneak peek at the prototype, which is already hitting the roads for tests. Visually, the new RS7 will sport a more rounded design, deviating from the sharp lines of its predecessor. It draws inspiration from the recently unveiled F5 family, featuring similar headlight shapes but with a larger, more aggressive grille that nearly spans the entire front. The RS version will, of course, get its unique touches, making it stand out even more. On the side, you'll notice sleek, flush-mounted door handles akin to those on the new A5 and A6 e-tron models. The car will also feature vertical air intakes on the front fenders and rounded protrusions above significantly wider wheel arches, hallmarks of Audi's most powerful station wagon. The rear will impress with uniquely shaped lights connected by an LED strip, and the signature oval exhaust pipes, closely spaced together, add a fierce touch to the overall look. While we don't have the full technical details yet, it's widely expected that the RS7 will pack a hybrid powertrain. This powerhouse will likely be based on the current 4.0-liter V8 twin-turbo engine found in the RS6 Performance, delivering an impressive 630 horsepower and 850 newton-meters of torque, with an electric motor to boost performance even further. The grand unveiling of the new Audi RS7 is anticipated for next year, and it's sure to turn heads. But that's not all. Audi is also preparing to introduce a fresh A7 sedan, as we've seen in recent renderings. The future of Audi is bright, and we can't wait to see what's next. Thank you for watching. If you're as excited as we are about the new Audi RS7, make sure to stay tuned for more updates. And don't forget, check out the playlist on our channel for more in-depth reviews and sneak peeks at upcoming car models. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.